a few tears now and then and just let 'em